Alright, today I am really excited to bring you my version of Dalgona coffee, and I do things a little bit differently to make this super keto friendly. So we're going to make a double batch, so I'm going to go ahead and put in half of a cup of hot water, or 4 tablespoons. And then I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of espresso powder. So this is going to make a really decadent, rich Dalgona coffee. And then finally, I am going to use 4 tablespoons of sweetener, and I am using Bocha Sweet today. You could use any of your favorite sweeteners. I'm going to use my little handheld stick blender. Just going to make sure that I start out on low. Before I make a huge mess, I'm going to go ahead and pour it into a little taller container. Gives me a little more room for whipping. Now you can, of course, hand whisk this, which takes 5, 7, 8 minutes. Alright, now we're ready to build the Dalgona coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and use unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I'm going to go ahead and scoop some in there, and then I'm going to blend this together. I just want to make sure I get the MCT power completely incorporated with the almond milk. Then I'm going to go ahead and fill it to about there with my almond milk. And there we are, the beautiful keto Dalgona coffee.